I just thought I'd take a video of some old Macintoshes that my dad has. These both are Macintosh LC475s. Just want to show you guys how cool they are. Cause they're kind of cool. We have like a bunch of floppy disks and stuff too. My camera wants to focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Okay. So this one will start up just fine. You can hear it and stuff. They're both running Mac OS 7.6.1. Sorry, I don't know how much hertz the screen is running out. So it's kind of like has a little line going through it. See, we have the extensions on it and stuff. I'm gonna boot up this one real fast too. Just gonna turn on the screen. I'll show you why they can turn it on. I also have Ethernet plugged into this one, but all I did was just turn on the screen, turn on the computer. This one has a little problem, so I have to turn it off after the sound, turn it back on. That way it should boot up normally. Oh, it's almost already done booting. This one will restart after it boots up. So do that, then it'll just restart and have to boot up after that. This one, on the other hand, has an error that shows up. I can just close that out. This one's running the same Mac OS. It does that in background though. It kind of does that for some reason, I don't know why. This on the other hand, this one my dad mostly just got like all these Macintoshes from like online from around, and so he doesn't really know what's on those hard drives. But like this one, I just put this hard drive in it, and it's from a school, pretty sure. So I was like documents from like some kind of school. There's also, it was assigned, yeah, like the name like Rizogi or Mr. Rizogi or something like that. I forgot where it was, one of the programs that had it, but let's see, we haven't find it. I think it was just under, it's under some program. Maybe it was just the what do you call it? Netscape Navigator. Nope, it's not under this. Yeah, no, it's not. This one doesn't won't show the name. But this one started up. I recently did Apple Share and transferred over the web browser over to this one because for some reason this one actually worked with the internet, like that one didn't. But like, see, this one's, look, I'll show you from there. This one's on 7.6.1. This one, after it takes a bit to load. It's taking a bit. Yeah, they're both pretty old, but so they're all fun to mess around with. Like, don't know why this hard drive's called Skippy, but it's probably the person before it. Something with it. I also like tried taking screenshots and stuff. So I have like a bunch of screenshots of like the desktop. So yeah, I think there's a couple programs on this one that I haven't seen before, like this one. I don't know what Kyroscope is, or if that, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. Look, man, I should go to the website. Oh, I think I already was there. Didn't really have anything. Technically just like makes random colors, I guess, or something. I don't know what it is. Just quit it. Close these. Macintosh is still to get to it. Very close. Yeah, it makes sense because it's on the internet. Connect to it. So this one is on. Oh, don't open it again. I'm just gonna quit it. This one is on the same version, 7.6.1. So I think somewhere in here I found a program that said who the previous or the person was that I don't know where I saw it. There's this one. It goes in here. Yeah. Yeah, see. Mr. Rogalski. That's a cool name, but it's probably from a person from like the 1980s or something. They probably don't even live anymore. Who knows? Maybe they do. Maybe someone will see this video that's related to him. So, yeah, it's like pretty cool and stuff. And then same thing with this one. Like, we got a lot of them, so yeah, they're my dad's though. None of these belong to me. I just thought I'd make a quick video about these. So I thought they were pretty cool. This one's connected to the internet, so I can show you this real fast. This one doesn't have Java installed, I don't think, so it kind of gets this error. I think I've got, let's see, search engine that I used before. If it wants to load it, maybe just take a bit. Yeah, it's loading. But my dad is an internet provider, so we don't have to worry about paying, and our internet's pretty fast, so it kind of loads everything fast. I'm not sure how it would load back then, but if I wanted to search up something like, say, Ghost. I don't think I spelled that right. Ghost. I think you're just Ghost official. Oh, it's YouTube. Some YouTube links and maybe most like YouTube, so there's stuff in. Yeah, I don't know. What about Wikipedia? I feel like here, Wikipedia. See what load it. Yeah, it loads it. Just through frog find though. Yeah. Just gonna close that. Quit it. You can probably see some similarities with this and new Mac OS computers. But yeah, I'm just gonna show just that. Close everything out. To turn off these, you can just either press this button and it will show this on the screen and just do shut down. Then it will like say it is not safe to switch off your Macintosh, so I can just switch it off, turn off the screen. Or like on this one, just need to make sure there's nothing still open because I just like to close everything. You can just go all the way down here and do shutdown, do the same thing. Then you'll say the same thing, and you can just turn that off and turn off the screen. So yeah, that's 2 Macintosh LC 475s. We got a couple more, a lot of quadras too. We got like a lot in here too. We got like 5 some more stuff, and over in this room. Oh yeah, it's kind of a mess over there, but we have like a bunch of old printers and stuff. We have Lisa's, Classics, monitors down there, 20th anniversary one, which is, I'm not sure how rare it is, but a couple of these. And we also have like more stuff over here. Got those, like a bunch of floppy disk drives, keyboards, and like vintage games and stuff, Macintosh manuals, joysticks. So some like wires and stuff that go with them. So I have like a bunch of manuals I was looking through, and yeah, so just wanted to show some people that if anyone ever watches, but yeah. So I guess bye.